I thought it'd be nice to do some quick videos here to help you out in getting familiarized with some of the applications that you're going to be using. The first one I'm going to start out with, I'll do a video here on some of the basic functions of the calendar. So once you're logged into your mail application, all the links are available up here. I just simply selected a calendar from the top left link. All the things that you'll be using are right here for you, and it opened up a new tab for me here. And the last calendar I was looking at happened to be the Pee Wee 1 team, so we'll work off theirs. So the calendar will pop up for you here. When you open yours, all you're going to have is I have all the calendars available to me. Most of you won't have that. You'll most likely it automatically populates the first one, so your username at walsburggriffins.com will be made for you automatically. And excuse me, the team that's been assigned to you will be down here as well. So in this case, if you had the Pee Wee calendar, Pee Wee 1 calendar available to you, it would be sitting right here. So you can see that I've highlighted this. You can select and deselect. I've highlighted the Pee Wee 1 calendar. And we'll go into the calendar and we'll create an event. So on the 21st of April, if you, in this case, we'll just click anywhere inside the date. And for us, we're pretty much always going to be using edit event details, this option, because we do tend to put a lot of details in. So if you select that, it'll come up and ask you what you're doing. So we're just going to select test. Pretty much always going to deselect the all-day event because I think most of ours events that we put in other tournaments are going to be obviously single-day events. It's when you select your time, it's always going to forward the closing time an hour beyond it. So if you had an hour and a half practice or whatever, you could just simply put that in there. Where it's actually a good idea to fill in this information accurately, and I'll show you why in a bit. This will enable Google Maps to be accurate. So when you put all this information in, it's just a matter of going down and make sure you hit save when you're done. So when you select save, you'll see that it should automatically bring you back to the calendar, and you can see that your event here has populated in now. Now, of course, the neat part of our application here in the way that we're going to use this is this information instantly populates into the front page of the website or all the applicable pages. So people that come to the website, we created a 7 p.m. test on April 21. So we'll go to the 21st, and you can see that it's populated into the home page here. And this is what I was talking about when you put the proper information into where, and you can get right down to street address here. It will bring up the Google map that corresponds with it for you. So that's kind of handy. And of course, this information, when you put it in your calendar, it goes across all of your calendars, including the team home page. So you can see here the month view page. This is all the teams available off the home page, and our test is, you can see our test is popped in here as well. So once you've got the information in that you're looking for, excuse me, you may want to get back, of course, and edit some information later because, of course, there's going to be things that are going to change or mistakes or whatever. So you just simply select, click on the event that you're looking to edit, and you can see it pops up here, and one of the options is to edit event details. So we can select that. You can change the time, whatever you want to do here, and you can also delete it out of here. Most likely you're not going to. You can delete it right off the month page if you want. So if you wanted to actually just completely delete something, you can select this link here, and it will delete it. If you made a mistake, this link here will show up for a few minutes, a minute or so. I think it stays up here for, and it will recover your error for you. So that should pretty much cover the basics, anyways, as far as getting information onto the calendar. And just be aware that anything you put on here automatically filters into the website. The other thing is if you do have other calendars available to you, if they're made available, you can display them on your screens just simply by highlighting them here on the left, and they will all the information will just overlap each other, and it's quite nice for if you're coordinating any event between teams or whatever it is. You can see everybody's schedules there quickly. I'll do some more advanced stuff in another video, but I think this was good just to get the basics across, because I think that's, for the most part, that's all the majority of us are going to need.